A grade really doesn't tell you much.
I feel like I'm allowed to discover what I really enjoy.
So we ask the students themselves, what do you need to learn?
The educational concept behind Atlas is more that the students learn to shape their own program.
Normally, we as teachers try to decide what is important to learn. And in Atlas, we try to hand that responsibility over to the students.
In terms of coursework, they focus very much on personal development. They want us to learn, of course, that's why we're here. But they also want us to understand what we're doing and how that affects us as people.
We focus more on the learning than on the having learned something.
So we don't know what the students need for the next step, for their project, for instance, what they want to learn. So we ask the students themselves, okay, what do you need to learn?
It's very personal, and that's what Atlas does. They like to focus on the personal aspect of teaching. It's more involved.
We don't do grades. We give them feedback on that material, but not a grade, because a grade really doesn't tell you much.
Students really know where they stand and what they can do for the next step, how to improve themselves.
I feel like I'm allowed to discover what I really enjoy, and through doing that, I really engage with the subjects more.
If they want to focus more on social sciences, more on technical science, more on math, or something else completely, they get freedom from us to do so. If it helps their future, then we're completely fine with it.